everyone, hope all of you are doing good and I'm great too. So very often this question was being raised in the groups and over the personal messages also. So I thought of making a good video on it according to my experience. Like parents ask me that how come your child, is able to communicate and how many hours of therapies you are doing for him. So the answer to this question is like, if you asked me that how much therapy does daily my autism child needs and what is the role of it, so there is no definite answer about that. So, because how many hours of therapy or support autistic children need, so it is like endless. They need lots of therapies, they need lots of attention and productive activities. So, this is because the number of hours of therapy my child was taking, that worked for me. Maybe it does not work for you, or maybe the situation could be that your child is not that cooperative. Okay, initially the child does not cooperate with the therapies also, but over a period of time the child gets used to it. So first of all, I would like to say that be very focused and consistent with whatever you do. Discipline plays a very major role in that. And how come my child is talking and doing all the things? It's just because I focused on the right treatment protocol and I focused rigorously therapies and care and attention. And still there are some little minor issues which we have to work upon. So you need to understand first of all that the research also says that the early you do any kind of treatment or intervention or protocols for any treatment, so the better outcomes you get. So you need to do a time management also. It's not about that the age is running out and you are just thinking that what to do and what not to do. You have to be quick and prompt in your actions. That really works. Okay, so first of all, autism child, according to me, if you ask me, to like the autism child minimum needs 3 to 4 hours of therapy. That's my experience with my child. Okay, it's totally depends upon you that how much therapy hours you can inculcate in that schedule, or you can do at home also. So all moms are the best therapists in this whole world. Okay, so empower yourself with the right knowledge, with the right things. Read books, watch my videos of course, and read lots of books on autism and everything. Have that self-awareness in yourself, so nobody can misguide you or manipulate you. So at home also you can do therapies, like you can engage your child in the household activities. You can give a flow time play together. You both can play with each other, and if the child has siblings, they both can engage with the pretend plays, in the sensory activities, in the physical therapies, in the others activities at home. There are so many things which can be done at home also. You can give a particular task that if you will do this, I will give you this reward. You can hang a swing at home. You can create a small OT kind of setup at home. So you can do a lot of things at home also. And if you are not unable to do it, so you can always ask for a professional, or you can hire somebody at home. So there are lots of things which you can do at home. And also which I feel that aquatic therapy is really good. If you can put a good bathtub inside the washroom. So aquatic therapy also shows great results. So aquatic therapies can help children with autism to improve their concentration and attention. This therapy also focuses on the play-based functional movement, facilitating neurodevelopmental growth, improving the range of motion. It also improves body awareness as well, and also helps the children in having some fun also. So you can engage your child in the productive activities so that they don't get time for the tantrums only. You need to understand this fact, that if they will not get the time for tantrums only, they are so occupied. So obviously their issues will slowly resolve. And with the ADHD kids, it's said that discipline and consistency really works, okay, in autism as well. So you can, have to be very consistent. You should stick to your schedules, okay. And you can always make time for fun. You can dance. I took dance like crazily with my son. I just lock the doors and we just, dance like, stupid people and we do funny steps and everything. So you can, make fun out of it. Life is so hectic. We all are struggling. We all are so stressed out, especially we moms. We have to do so much in day-to-day tasks. We have to manage home also, we have to manage kids also, we have to work also. Some of us are working professionals also. So we should have some fun also. And yes, I'm going to make a video on that also, specifically that mothers sometimes feel guilty that they are going out with their friends and they are having some fun, so they feel guilty about that. You have to feel guilty about that. But yes, I am going to make a specific video upon that also. Okay. So you can also look for the verbal clues, and you should always give them a safe, protective environment at home so they are comfortable. And you can pay attention to your child's sensory requirements as well. So if you follow these things at home also, and you are doing 2 hours therapy outside, and after 4 to 5 hours you are, you are keeping them busy productively at home, so that also works. So I hope my this video is helpful for all of you. Put some comments also, and help me in getting more, good topics, so I can create more knowledgeable videos for all of you. Have a great blessed day, and like and subscribe my channel, and empower yourself.